At IDEA, we believe that the capturing process should happen seamlessly, just like the experience itself does. PETA is the world's first transformative drone that enables true versatility in a way that you capture your experience, whether it's aerial, handheld, or mounted. PETA transforms to your needs in a matter of seconds. The Action Cam module has 3 screw-hole for universal mounting. Changing modes is quick and easy with modular design that magnetically snaps and twists to lock. Optimized for the first-time pilots across all ages, PETA is light and small to take with you everywhere without adding extra bulk. With our vision recognition technology to target and follow users, capturing with PETA is as easy as throwing it with a click of a button.
Our team has deployed a number of vision recognition technologies across many different sectors. We have been working days and nights for the last 1.5 years to bring the same video processing technologies to PETA, to create a small yet powerful autonomous drone that combines all the pros of previous drones and action cameras. We have completed development and are now in need of your help to move on to the manufacturing stage to shed light on PETA. Please join us to make PETA a reality.
Piloting drones is a relatively new activity that most people are starting to explore. We wanted to design a drone that introduced as many people as possible to the first-person view drone experience without breaking the bank, introducing a whole new flight experience. The Bolt is an innovative and versatile first-person view drone available at a radical price. It's a complete, ready-to-fly, out-of-the-box solution that's easy and safe to pilot, the drone for everyone. There are 3 ways to fly. First, for beginners, to start flying, simply turn on the drone and turn on the controller. The 2 will sync up and pair, and you can take off. The drone features altitude stabilization and a beginner's mode that makes picking up the basics a breeze. Learn how to safely and confidently maneuver and control your drone. Next, for those ready to expand their horizons, attach the screen to the controller and start piloting the drone further away. Simply turn on the drone and the screen. The camera on the drone will automatically sync and broadcast a live high-definition feed. Mount the screen on the controller and you're ready to go. Finally, for those ready for the full first-person view experience, swap the screen into the goggles and prepare for a whole new flight experience. Immerse yourself into the world of FPV piloting and cruise around high in the sky. Or try your hand at FPV drone racing and experience the incredible excitement from every twist and turn. Drone racing is a new and exciting sport that is quickly growing around the world. Using FPV goggles, pilots race their drones around courses to compete for the fastest times. It is truly the sport of the future. The Bolt can be used to experience drone racing at a fraction of the current price. It's an exciting virtual reality flying experience. The Bolt drone was designed and tested in Los Angeles by a team of expert product designers, aerospace engineers, and drone enthusiasts. It's built on a carbon fiber frame that offers unmatched performance and durability. The HD camera provides crystal clear video and photos, and the battery easily slides in and out for quick swapping. The drone design is modular, so that individual parts can be replaced. The result is a highly maneuverable, lightweight, and aerodynamic drone. The Bolt features a unique and innovative FPV viewing system that allows seamless transition from traditional viewing on the controller to FPV viewing using goggles. We're excited to offer the Bolt drone at a radical price. Traditionally, consumers purchase their drones at a high price point since importers, wholesalers, and retailers mark up the price of a drone up to 500%. By cutting out the middlemen, we are able to sell directly to you and pass on the savings. The Bolt drone was designed to introduce as many people as possible to first-person view piloting and racing without breaking the bank. With our finished prototypes ready for production, we're here on Kickstarter to raise the money we need for our first batch. With Bolt drones, we want to make first-person view piloting and racing accessible to everyone. With your support, this can be the start of something big. Thanks for watching.
Introducing Freebird One, the first aerial utility vehicle. Freebird One defines the standard of excellence for safety and performance. Designed for consumer and commercial use, Freebird One is as easy to operate as it is powerful, while delivering impressive flight times and a combination of safety features that put it into a league of its own. Freebird One is much more than a flying camera. Measuring 3 feet in diameter, Freebird One's advanced, patent-pending carbon fiber surround airframe offers unrivaled stability, strength, safety, and flight time in a single system. For aerial photography, Freebird One accommodates multiple cameras with many flexible mounting options. Key performance features include 360-degree enclosures for the propellers, a 20-pound payload capacity, large flat mounting bays for electronics on each side of the vehicle, all weather-proofed, 70 miles per hour and 3,000 feet per minute vertical top speeds, and flight times reaching 30 minutes. Our state-of-the-art flight control system gives you fully automated flights, your choice of control interfaces, full-featured ground station software for in-flight tracking and control, a wide range of flight modes, and custom flight profiles to match Freebird One's handling with your uses and skill level. Safety has been at the center of our design since day one. We want to make sure the people and property around you, as well as your investment, are protected. Key safety features include a virtual GPS fence, automatic return to home on loss of radio control, data link, or low battery, dual control links for redundancy and new pilot training, redundant GPS, compass, and power, and auxiliary power to locate the vehicle. We believe it's time to raise the bar for what a UAV should be. This technology will change the way we live in years to come, and we are leading the way to integrate UAVs into our society in a safe and responsible manner. Freebird One is uniquely suited for the task. Its size and strength enable it to stand up to demanding commercial applications while being easy to operate. Welcome to the next generation of UAV flight.
Forward, backward, right.
We are really very close to the market, so everyone will be able to have one very soon. But for that, we will need your help, so join us. Thank you.